Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. I'm your designing developer. Like in the previous videos, we have built many of the projects using different languages. Like we have started the Java series and we have covered up many of the videos using Java. Then we are also doing the big videos with these all Java and many of the other tutorial series. So now we are today also doing the big video. We are not working with Java. So today I will be telling you that how you can work on Crud APIs, and using this Crud APIs we are building an amazing Windows 10 clone. Previously on we have also built that Windows 10 clone, but we have built that using React.js. But today we are using Crud APIs to build this amazing Windows 10 clone, and we will be just using React Toolkit, React.js and Next.js 13 to use this Crud APIs and build this amazing Windows 10 clone. And I hope you'll be understanding this video because it will be different for you, and I hope you will be just enjoying this video. So remember to hit a like if you understand, enjoy this video, and remember to subscribe on this channel, and after subscribing, hit notification bell as well so more people can learn and they can take benefit of these amazing things. And remember to share this video so more people can learn and they can take benefit of these amazing things which I am uploading. So you can also check my previous videos which I have uploaded using React 18 and Java videos which I have uploaded yet. And I've also just covered up many of the big videos using many of the different languages like HTML, CSS. Then I've also built projects using Next.js 13, React.js, React. You can check that out because that will giving you help from start to end. You can also check my React 18 tutorial series which I've ended previously on, because I've uploaded 60 plus videos in that tutorial series, and now we have started the Java series, and I'll be uploading more videos related to Java as well moving forward. So this is only the start. We'll be covering up many of the projects, and I'll be also bringing up these big videos which I am building projects, because that will also bring you help. So I'm building this Crud API because I was just having this demand previously on, and I have not built project using Crud API. So I think that now we should build project using Crud API, and we will be using 3 languages in this: Next.js, React.js and React Toolkit to build this amazing Windows 10 clone with Crud APIs. And I hope you'll be understanding this video. So if you understand, enjoy this, so hit a like and remember to subscribe on this channel as well. Hit notification bell from which you can just see my all the coming up videos. So now we'll be starting with our video, and basically we'll be seeing that how we can build this amazing Windows 10 clone using Crud APIs in Next.js, React.js, or you can say Next.js 13, React.js and React Toolkit from start to end.
So just like I'm telling you, we'll be just building an amazing Windows 10 clone in, or you can say using this amazing language of React 18. So now we'll be starting with our video, and basically we'll be seeing that how we can just build this amazing Windows 10 clone. So for building this, here we'll be opening my VS Code. So you can see this here. I've opened this, and after opening the VS Code text editor, here you have to now just do one thing. Like here, I will be now opening my folder which is on the desktop. So you can see this is my folder on the desktop with the name of Windows 10 clone in React. So here we'll be just building this for using React plus Next.js 13, and we'll be also using here React Toolkit. So I will be opening my main file here. After moving to our main file here, I will be now just erasing all the codes which I will be not needing here. Then I will be just moving it to its main file, and after moving to this file here, I will be saving it. Then I'll be starting the main codes in my body. So here I will be now writing here only Windows 10 clone like this. Here I'll be writing Windows 10 clone with Crud APIs. So here I will be writing with Crud APIs like this, and then I will be writing in right here Next.js 13, right here React.js. Then I will be also writing comma, and here I will be writing, or you can say and I will be just writing here APIs in Next.js 13 React.js, and we are also using React Toolkit here. So I will be writing that as well. Save this thing. Then I will be now opening it in my default Google Chrome browser. So here I will be now moving to my desktop. This is my file here, and this is my Google Chrome browser. You can see totally empty. So I will be now just doing it side by side. So here after doing it like this, here I will be now just making this coding side bigger. After making this side bigger, here you have to press Ctrl B to close side panel. Now we are just getting the title too much big, because of that it is not showing me whole title. We are getting the Windows logo here. Then you have to now just write a tag which should be like UL tag. Here I will be writing class which should be write btn. Then I will be now just writing here menu. Here you have to write li, and then I will be writing here data action is equals to first. Write here changes, and then I will be now just writing here again this tag changes background. After writing this, here you have to now just move down after this tag. Write here div class and write here desk. After writing this desk, here I will be moving down. Then write here div class item. So here I will be now writing here div class item. So here you have to write double dash here. then you have to just write here div class item, then write here image dflex, then I will be now just writing here justify. So simply you have to write here justify content like this, then I will be now just writing here like center. Here you have to write image tag, then you have to write here class. In class I will be writing here trash, so here I will be now writing trash, write here source image slash trash, so here I will be writing trash.png. Now here you have to close this. After closing this, here I will be writing div class tags, then I will be now just writing tag center, then you have to just move down, right here p tag trash, then you have to now just move down again, right here div class dog bar, then I will be now just writing here dflex. Here you have to just move down, right here div class, right here left dflex, then I will be now just writing here div class logo, then I will be now just writing here itag class FABFA windows, then when you just written this thing, just I will be now writing here div class search box. Here when you've written this, I will be writing itag class LA search, and then when you've just written this, you have to write here input, and in input I will be writing type text and write here class in search input. So here I will be now just writing search input, then you have to write here placeholder. In placeholder I will be now just writing here type here to search, which is the taskbar menu thing which I have written here, then write here div class, and in class I will be writing here apps and write here image, and in image I will be now just writing the source image slash explorer, so here I will be now writing .png, then here you have to now just move after this tag, write here image slash, then write here chrome icon .png, then you have to now just write here image tag this time. After writing image tag, write here image slash, and here you have to write Microsoft, so here I will be now just writing here store. So after writing Microsoft store.png, here you have to move after this close div tag, then write here div class write, and after writing this, here you have to write div class icons. Then when you've written this, here I will be now just writing here itag class, right here LA, then here I will be writing angle up, so here I will be now writing angle up, then you have to now just move here, right here itag class LA Wi-Fi, here I will be writing, then you have to now just write here itag this time, then I will be now just writing itag class LA volume, then I will be now just writing here up. Now when you just written this, here I will be now moving down, right here div class time like this, then I will be now just moving down, right here p tag 0 like this, then right here a tag which should be like br tag here, so I will be now just writing, then after writing this, here you have to write a tag which should be like itag class LA, then I will be writing LA comment, then I will be now just moving down after this, and here after writing this thing, just here you have to save it, then reload. So you can see we are getting all this stuff. Now we have to style and we have to change the background also. So I will be now just moving to this file to style this. So here I will be writing dex width 100%, then you have to write here height 92 vh, then you have to write here background I will be writing initial. After writing this initial, here you have to now just write dog bar, and here you have to just write here height, and in height I will be writing 100%. So here I will be writing this, then write here background and write here RGB. In RGB I will be writing 17 and write here 0.79. Here you have to close it. So here I will be closing this tag. Right here justify content which should be space between, and then you have to now just do one thing. Here I will be moving and then move down, right here align items center, right here min height, and then I will be now just writing here 8vh. Here you have to write body and write here background URL, and in URL I will be now just writing // image slash, right here wallpaper dot, then I will be writing JPEG, right here center slash cover, then you have to write here no repeat, and then when you've written this, here you have to write max width, then I will be now just writing 100 VW, right here max height which should be 100 VW, then you have to write here logo and write here font size 1.5 rem, and write here color white, then you have to write here padding 10 pixel, then you have to write here display flex, and then you have to write here align items which should be center, and here you have to write search box So here I will be writing this. Right here background white. So here I will be writing A here, which is background now. Then you have to just write here width 19 rem. Then write here height, and in height I will be writing 3.2 rem. Then you have to now just write here display flex and write here align items center and write important. Now you have to write here padding 0.11 pixel. And then when you've written this, here I will be now just doing one thing, like here I will be moving down, right here search box, and then right here iTag, and in iTag I will be writing font size 1.5 rem. Then right here search box, and in search box I will be writing p tag, right margin bottom 0, and then you have to write here dot cortana like this, right here image, then right here width, which should be like 1.5 rem. Then I will be now just writing here dot cortana. Then I will be writing here padding and right here 0.10 pixel. Then I will be writing apps image and then right here width 30 pixel. So here I will be writing this. Right here margin 0.8 pixel, and when you've written this, right here apps, right display flex, and then you have to just write here align items center. Now when you've written this, here I will be now just moving down, right here right padding, and then right here 0.10 pixel, right here display flex, right align items in center. Now right here right item. Then when you've written this, here I will be now just moving down, and then you have to just now write a tag which should be like font size, right 1.6 rem, right here color white, padding 0.5 pixel, right here time p tag. So here I will be writing dot time, then right here p tag, right margin bottom 0, right here text color white, right font weight which should be 300. Save it. Then you have to reload. So you can see now we are just getting it styled here. Then you have to write here search input, and then you have to just write here outline null like this, and write here border which should be null. So here I will be writing this. Then you have to write here dot, and then I will be writing I tag image, right here cursor pointer. Then I will be just writing dot item, and here I will be writing width 100 pixel, padding, then I will be writing here 10, and here you have to just now move at the top and write here pixel. Here you have to write text p tag, right color white, so here I will be writing, and then you have to just write here text shadow which should be 0 pixel, 0 pixel, 2 pixel, then I will be writing 0 like this. Now save it. Here you have to reload, so you can see we are just getting it. Now when you are just getting this thing, here I will be now just writing here dot item image, right here width 80 pixel, then I will be just writing right btn menu, then right here display live, then you have to just write here z index 1000, then I will be just writing position absolute, and then you have to write here overflow hidden, then you have to just write here background which should be 111, so here I will be writing this, and then after writing here you have to write color white, right here border radius, and in border radius I will be writing 10 pixel, right here padding 0. Then here you have to move down, right here right btn menu li tag, and then you have to just write a tag which should be like padding 8 pixel, then I will be writing 12 pixel. Here you have to just move down after this tag, and after moving down right here cursor pointer, then right here list style type, then right here null, and right here transition which should be like all 0.3 as is. Then you have to just write here user select none, so here I will be writing this. Then you have to save it and reload. So you can see now if I just show you, we are just getting all the stuff, but we have to put some of the other codes as well here, so we can just make it more good looking. So I will be pressing Ctrl B to close side panel, then I will be moving it here, and after moving to this file, here you have to now just write var time. So Ctrl Z here I will be pressing, then I will be writing var time like this, right here is equals to right function, make this bracket, and then right here var time is equals to new date. Then you have to write here this dollar sign like this, and then you have to just write dot time and write p tag, write dot text here. So here I will be now just writing this, right here time dot to local string. So here I will be now writing to locale string. Then we have to just write en us. Then I will be now just writing comma and right here hour, and in hour I will be just now moving forward. Right here hour, then write numeric like this. Right here comma minutes. So here I will be now just writing here minute, and right here numeric. Then right here comma and right here hour 12, and right here true. Now when you've written this here, you have to now just move down. Right here set interval, and in this I'll be writing r time comma 1000. So here I will be writing this, close it. Then I will be now just writing dot item. Then I will be just giving space here. After giving space, you have to write draggable. So here I will be writing draggable like this. Then you have to close it. Right here hashtag. Then I will be writing document dot bind. Then I will be now just writing here context menu. So here I will be writing this. Right here comma function, and right here event. Then you have to just move down. Right here event dot write prevent. So here I will be writing default. Then you have to now just move down. Right here this dollar sign. Then you have to just write here dot write. Then right here btn menu. Right here dot finish, and here you have to write dot toggle. Here I will be writing 100, and then write dot, and you have to now just move down. Right here this css value, and here in this I will be writing this colon. Right here top event. Then I will be writing dot page y, and right here plus px value. Then I will be writing left event. Then I will be writing page x plus. Then I will be now just writing here px value. Here you have to write comma, close it, close it. Then right here this document here. Then right here dot bind. Here I will be writing mouse down. Then you have to write here comma function value. So here I will be now writing function e tag. Then you have to move down here. Right here if, give a space. Then I will be writing this colon, and right here e dot target. So here I will be writing right here dot parents. Then you have to write here dot write btn. Then I will be now just writing here dash menu, and here you have to just write dot length 0. Then when you've just written this, here you have to give a space, move down. Right here this tag. Then I will be writing here dot write btn menu dot height. Then I will be writing here 100, and then you have to just close it. Right here hashtag. Then right here dot write menu. Then I will be writing here dot write btn menu li. Then I will be writing dot click. So here I will be now just writing function. Then you have to now just move here and then move down, and then I will be just writing here switch. And after writing switch, here I will be just writing this tag. Then right here this, and right here ATR, and then you have to write here data action. So here I will be now writing data action. Then you have to just now do one thing. Here I will be moving down after this tag. Then I will be just now moving down. Right here case first. So here I will be writing case first like this. Then you have to now just move forward. Write this tag. Then right here under this tag body. Right here dot css. Then I will be now making this tag, and then I will be just now writing here this background. And after writing this background, you have to just now do one thing here. Like I will be making this column. Right here URL and the image. So when you've written this, here I will be now just doing one thing. Like you can see we have just written all the things. So here I will be removing, and then here we have to write another thing as well here. So now when you've just written all this stuff, so here I will be now doing one thing. I'll be saving it here. Then here you have to reload. After reloading, you can see this is our Windows 10 clone which we have built using Crud API, and we have just used React.js, Next.js 13 and ReactToolKit to build this. So when we are building any project using Crud API, so it is easy to build, and I hope you understand this, how we have just built this amazing Windows 10 clone using Crud API in this amazing React.js, Next.js 13 and ReactToolKit. And I hope you understand this video. If you have understand, enjoy this project of Windows 10 clone. So remember to hit a like, and if you are new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so more people can learn and they can take benefit of these amazing things. I'll be uploading more videos like that in future, and I hope you'll be understanding and enjoying that as well. So I'll be meeting you next project with more amazing things and more amazing tutorials. So for today, goodbye.